for you. And Kabesi Deji, they will round up. So just join us, we haven't debriefed it properly. So we will debrief it, so we're just praying for you. Okay. But I want us to hear the voice of Kabesi Olularo briefly. Then Alaafin will say Abure way of Idowa Ekukale. Kabesi Olularo.
Protocol. I don't have one word to add other than all that you have said. I will just bring the National Assembly.
Please, let's listen to our cabinet. This is silence. It's a very important item on our agenda. And you can be sure the reason we are doing this is because we have them there. You have the rest of the day to yourself. You have the whole of tomorrow to yourself. Let them just do their own things.
Thank you, Senator. Well, my voice is just to plead with the National Assembly, and especially as sons and daughters who are in the State Assembly, to please help us to accede to a request by granting this bill a speedy passage. I know the President will not relent in accepting his pen on the bill. On that note, I want to thank you for your time. The prayer that the people are our Baba, buying to Papa, but our no, and take it at your city, so that our Cheddar Bania say, Adam Mabule. Yes, I check you whatever, but tell your papa, he, our Natapo, we not do, we have to come, but just know that we have to get for us. And we want you to have a legal package. Against your Anthony, we are not in the old era. Now, if we are still part of the same Nigeria, we believe that it's legal, I would say legal framework, like that. We are not already there, like the Arab said. I know you are not like your Laman into that. If you want to see the job, you have to touch here. I don't know, you're doing that thing. Why don't you? Tí o bá sí nǹkan tí ó dé lẹ́yìn ìdèmúlẹ̀, yes, àwọn èèyàn ṣe pọ̀ ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá lè fún wa ní àyè nínú òfin Nàìjíríà pé wípé o àṣẹ àwọn tí bàbá bá ti fún wa láàfin báńkì lẹ́gàdì tó bá náà wò wá gbà wọ́n ti máa jí sẹ́kọ̀ ó lọ sẹ́kọ̀ only civil matter we don't want criminal matter. I want to assure you that gbogbo kéèkì lọ sí ẹgbẹ́ lọ́kàn you don't need ẹ̀kọ́ kan lọ sí get a better one. Thank you very much.
The majority leaders of our National Assembly, you have drawn our attention because they only have told you that we've gone far. But the only issue is for us to meet the State Assembly. And they were here now, and the head of the speaker in Southwest, we will write you by our Baba Oni, we write you that you will give us a date, we make presentation for you. If this one is not enough, it's not. Yes. Then it's enough. It's enough. Then we will expect you to write the Senate. We will expect you to write the Senate that we are in the same page. If that one is taken, we don't need to. What about the we? They are requiring us to meet to get the two-thirds. It's the two-thirds we are arguing for. And for us now, if the governor's quorum can make the presentation that we have made you and you have accepted our proposal, so shall it be.
Yes, we are just 6 out of the 36.
Yes.
Speaker, please, let me, now that you have agreed, please, you are to take a sacrifice to your national body of speakers so that now discuss with them on their behalf Would that be done, please? You are to lobby on our behalf. We are expecting you to lobby on our behalf.
Ọmọ yìí ni wá, a lè fi kọ́ gbogbo kọ́tẹ́ sọ.
Ẹlẹ́tì bàbí náà o. Ẹ ṣe ìbọ̀bà kẹ́lẹ̀. Thank you.
Thank you very much. As you all know, I just assumed my forefathers' throne about 2 months ago. So I'm very aware of the fact that the traditional rulers' involvement in the making of a constitutional rule is very important. In the sense that we believe that we are the people that are very close to the grassroots. We are dealing with some of these people on a daily basis, making sure that everything is in order. So I remember the last time I was in Abuja, I met with Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and one of the things that was discussed was the issue of the security, and same thing, the involvement of the traditional rulers in the making of laws and others. So in this respect, I want the Senate to help us to making sure that there's a total involvement, so that that will pave room for better development in Yoruba land and in Nigeria as a whole. So I'm glad to be here and to be part of the team that would move the Yoruba land to the next level. So thank you very much. And my prayer for all of you is that Yoruba people will say, Adele Barrio, Arina Poreo, Agoya Ibio, Lori Amabori, Oni, Owa Pauki, Tennis and Pinkan, Owa Town and Kaluwe. And I want to commend the effort of the distinguished Senate on seat. You are doing very well, and we appreciate your effort. We believe that by the time you collaborate well with you, Nigeria will be a better place. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Kabiyesi. Hello? Kabiyesi ọ̀ọ́dẹ ọ̀fíìsẹ̀ Kabiyesi Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́. Kabiyesi ọ̀ọ́dẹ ọ̀fíìsẹ̀ Kabiyesi Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́. The civil senators wanted to come up here. The two of them come and take photograph with us.
Welcome to King's Consult, Human Resources and Management Services. Looking to grow your business or find your next job opportunity? At King's Consult, we offer expert HR consulting services tailored to meet your needs. Recruitment, staff management. We have several exciting opportunities available right now. Are you looking for a new role?